Hi friends, welcome back to the Martin Museum. I'm Kelly Martin. This is Monty Martin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is, the cat is trying to help us out and she just dropped a box on her head. Today we are unboxing some new product that just came in, and I'm excited to share a couple of new feature products that we have available. They were released on November 1st. So the first thing that we are going to look at is the warmer of the month. I already did an unboxing, so I'm not going to go a whole lot into detail about this. And I did try to, I unboxed a lot of it so you don't have to watch us take everything completely apart. However, I've got the warmer of the month this month, which is our little red barn. If you can hold that. And I ordered in to go with the barn because I thought that this was absolutely adorable, was the moo cow, Deja Moo. So this is our one of our element warmers. It's got the little dish right here to put the wax in, and you can have it here with the barn warmer that has the wax going right here. So I thought these made a really good, I'm going to be making a holiday scene, and I just thought that the cow went really well with the, I know he is thrilled about my decorating. We just got done looking at holiday decorations so that we can decorate the house, and it's not his thing, but he loves me, so he lets me. I also ordered in some of the jeweled pomegranate because I love the scent of the month this month. This is the jeweled pomegranate. I got wax bars, and I ordered in 6 of the scent circles. So these are part of what I had to come in. And then what else was released on November 1st, which is something I haven't even smelt these yet. These are the bricks. So we have bricks available. Each year we have the a selection of bricks. We have 5 of them available right now. They're $24 a piece, or you can bundle them and get 2 of them for $40. And so the cool thing about the bricks, this is the bar. This is what you're used to seeing. This has 6. This is 3.2 fluid ounces. The brick is 17 fluid ounces. This is the equivalent of 5.5 bars. So for $30, you can buy 6 of these, or for $20, if you do the bundle and save and buy 2, for $20, you can buy the brick, which is almost the same amount of wax as getting the 6-pack of these. So we have 3 scents that I have not smelled before. They were brand new releases. They never sent us testers. We don't know what they are. And then there were 2 bricks that were released. I'll start with one of them. The Pretty and Plaid, which I did not get, and then the Snowkissed Cranberry, which is a scent that I do really like. So this one, do you like the cranberry? I have a lot of the cranberries in the pods, which if you follow me, you know that I love the pod systems. We have a lot of the pod systems around the house, and I have a lot of the Snowkissed Cranberry pods too. I think there's one running in our bathroom right now. So the scents that just came out, we have salted caramel toffee. I got this for him. So, babe, you're gonna have to let me know what you think. That is definitely toffee. That is definitely something you're gonna like.
Yum.
I typically don't like the bricks, but I think we can probably use this one up. So this will be going in his room. Maybe. Makes him hungry. Great. So this is one of the 3 special scents. The next one is the Crimson Berry Christmas. And this one kind of intrigued me when I read the description. And the description is available on my on my Facebook page. However, I will add in the description below. I'll add what these descriptions are. because I did not print them out and bring them down when I did this video. But the Crimson Berry Christmas Fig. Ooh, I think I like it. It's
cinnamon.
It's got some cinnamon and some berries, but like red berries, but not raspberries, but more like a cranberry or actually this looks like cranberries on it, maybe.
Maybe it is.
Or holly berries.
It's holly berries.
Is that holly berries? That's holly berries. I should. I don't know. I smell more of the cinnamon, so I will be warming this and checking this out. And then the third scent, which I ordered in. So these two are for us, and then the Snowkissed Cranberry, and this one, the Marshmallow Mint Cocoa. I ordered in for a customer, so let's see. Ooh. Tell me if I have a description. Oh, the cat wants in on this one.
Andy mints.
That's what I was thinking.
Or
the
Junior
Andy's mints. So if you open up a package of Junior, okay, you think Junior mints? The first thing I saw in my head was the Andy's mints, and that you just opened one up. That's what this smells like to me. So that actually smells kind of good too. So the nice thing about these 3 scents, right now they are only available in the brick, or if you want the smaller size, and I really prefer this size bar personally, you can order these 3 scents in the small bars if you add them to your Scentsy Club. So Scentsy Club allows you to order all of our special scents, and so we also have one of the other things I got in was another one of the Villain scent packs, and it's the 3-pack of bars. So if there is just one scent, you get this, and then you decide. I really liked the which one is this? What is her name? Maleficent. Sorry, I had to think who she was. The Maleficent scent is the one that I really, really like. I did not care personally for Ursula because she's got more of a powder scent that doesn't set well with me. I did also like the Evil Queen. I'm sorry. This is the Evil Queen. That's why I was looking at it funny. And this is the Maleficent. And these two I did like. So I threw these 2 into my Scentsy Club. And I have a feeling that I am adding these 3 scents, at least for a little while, into my Scentsy Club so that I can get the small bars of these, because I do like them. And I just don't like cutting into the big bricks. But if you like the bricks, if there's a scent that you absolutely love, and I know there are people who absolutely love these, and that is great, we have them available. There's 5 scents currently available. But if you want them in the smaller size, start a Scentsy Club order, and you can add them in there and get the smaller bars along with any of, and once you added them in there, if you like them, you can get them forever as long as you don't take them out of your Scentsy Club. And so Squeaks is saying hello again and making a mess. So I have a couple of scents that I added to my Scentsy Club this summer. I have my you're distracting me. You're supposed to be helping me here, babe. Hibiscus waters. I have my hibiscus waters in there that I get every month when it comes, and I'm so excited that I can still get that even though it's not summer and they're not available in the catalog. Actually, that one was never available in the catalog. It was a limited edition that sold out in like an hour. And so if you didn't get it in that hour that it was available, that was when we had that was probably the quickest, other than the Monsters Inc. Buddy. That is probably the quickest that things have sold out for us. And I was really disappointed, but I was like, oh, I'm just going to throw them in my Scentsy Club and see if I like them, because I wanted to order them anyways. I am so glad I did, because I love that scent, and I will always get it until I choose to take it out of my basket. Until then, so 5 years from now, if that scent never comes back, I can still get it. They will hand pour it for me each month. So that is really cool about the Scentsy Club. Another thing
Can you get pine scent in July?
You can get pine scent
So you
in
can do
July.
Christmas in July. Then.
You can get Christmas in July. We
There
were
you
just
go.
talking about Christmas in July because the kids are scattered all over the country and it's really hard for them to fly home in December for multiple reasons. But one's a teacher and two of them live in the South. And so coming home in July, we're in the Pacific Northwest, is actually going to be relief for them so that they can get away from the really hot, humid heat and come up and enjoy the perfect summers that we get. And then there's the winter and I have to go visit them. So it's really a good deal, but we were talking about doing Christmas in July. So we will be able to have pine scented wax in July.
And what's next?
And what's next? He wants me to move on. All right, so enough with the wax. A couple of things that I did get in. I ordered another fan because we want to smell pine trees during the Christmas season, but I decorate for Christmas and leave the tree up for about 2 months because we typically do a Christmas party in the first week of January. But I have to decorate, as soon as Thanksgiving is over, earlier if I'm allowed, but probably the day after Thanksgiving. So I'm going to put one of our fans and put the pods, and I have the Feeling Pine, the Christmas special, one of the holiday scents that was available that started October 1st. It's still available. I use those. It smells just like a fresh cut Christmas tree. I will smell Christmas trees in my house for 2 months. I'm excited about that. He's so tolerant of my obsession with Christmas. And so if you haven't seen before, I did get some pods in. In fact, here is my Feeling Pine. This is the one that I'll be using. And this, baby, what does this smell like? Maybe he doesn't agree with me. This to me smells like we just cut down a Christmas tree and put it up in the house. So that is what I like. We have Christmas Cottage, Very Merry Cranberry, Very Blessed, a Very Frisky Kitty, Snowkissed Cranberry, and I got another Snowkissed Cranberry, Winterberry Apple Tea. This scent is great and it comes in all sorts of, right now we have it in the bath soak and in the sugar scrubs, which those are limited edition and only available while supplies last. I have the Sunkissed Citrus, another Christmas Cottage, Blue Grotto, which is a standby old favorite that has to always be available, along with my Sunkissed Citrus. I have Sheer Leather, which goes in we have themed rooms in the house. This one goes in Africa and it just fits perfectly with everything that we have in there. And then the last one is the Very Merry Christmas. Next, this is a customer order. I have the lavender essential oil that goes with our I just got totally distracted. I'm sorry. The essential oil for lavender and the orange strawberry melon. I don't remember ordering that one, but that is for somebody else. So I will check and make sure that's the right scent for their order. And then I got car bars, which are great. These are great gifts. These are great to throw in your car. We've got Snowkissed Cranberry, Blue Grotto. Got 2 of the Blue Grottos. A second Snowkissed Cranberry, Blueberry Cheesecake, and a third Snowkissed Cranberry. All right, so other than that, I got a few business supplies wrapped in. Got more of my pens because I really love these. Oh, I forgot one more of the limited edition items. These are, thank you, babe. We have holiday hand soaps, which is great because the fall hand soaps that I put out when they came in September are starting to run out, so now I can replace them. I have Christmas Cottage. I have Perfect Peppermint, which we have a clean bundle that matches the Perfect Peppermint that is the dish soap and the counter cleaner. And then we have the winterberry apple tea, which I'm going to put this actually in a bundle with the Scentsy Soak and the you are very distracting with the kitty. The kitty loves boxes, and he has the box over here for the cat to climb in, and she's having a heyday over here. So I will be putting this in the bundle with the sugar scrub and the Scentsy Soak. Any other items here? The last thing I've got is my black raspberry vanilla washer whiffs so that my laundry can continue to smell amazing.
And the whole block knows it.
And the whole block knows it. Yes, my neighbor the other day, she comes up and she's like, "Were you doing laundry this morning?" Yeah. I came around the corner from walking the dogs and all I could do was smell Scentsy. And it smelled so good as I was walking the dogs. I'm like, wow, okay, so 3 houses down, she turned the corner and could smell the black raspberry vanilla in my dryer. And so, but it's not overpowering. I promise it's not overpowering when it's on your clothes.
No.
Because I just washed this. He can barely smell it. I smell it, there's just a hint of it. And so I smell just a hint. And I absolutely love that my clothes smell clean and that I can take my Scentsy with me everywhere. So that is today's haul. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate, honey, that you joined in a little bit. I wanted to see your reaction to my moo cow because it's going in, well, maybe. We have a room that he has to approve before I put anything in it. The rest of the house I'm allowed, but he's got his NHL and NFL warmers in there. And currently the September warmer of the month unwrapped, and the cat's going on the floor. So that is currently in there. I need to redecorate the house. We're going to start setting up some Christmas decorations a little bit early. I know we have to remember Thanksgiving. I will be having Thanksgiving dinner, but we have to already start decorating the house. Otherwise, it's never going to...
No turkey warmers.
No turkey warmer. I don't have a turkey warmer. I'm sorry. We have a moo cow. You can have a moo cow.
You have steak.
So we're having steak. So thank you very much for joining. If you are interested in any of what you see here, you can always order on my website at www.kellymartin.scentsy.us. That's me. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a fabulous weekend.